Stop by and take a look at the 2016 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, traction control, Bose sound system, stability control, running boards, remote start, keyless entry, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, keyless ignition, anti-theft security system, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, power windows, fog lamps, USB connection. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.